Hello guys, today we are opening a Cyclizar EX box. 2 promo cards, 1 oversized card and 4 booster packs. The back. Okay, let's get into it. Before we properly get into it, smash that like button and smash that subscribe button for more content, and please comment down below what you would like us to open, like from Scarlet and Violet. Okay, Lost Origin pack, lovely. Base set Scarlet and Violet, another base set Scarlet and Violet, and a Silver Tempest, lovely. Our oversized Cyclizar EX card. QR code. Our promo Rotom. Our Cyclizar EX card. Let's see which ones to open. Comment down below which packs you think will have a hit. Let's get into the Lost Origin pack. QR code. 1, 2, 3, 4 in the front. Dark Energy. Gift Energy. Gastrodon. Haunter. Apom. Spinarak. Litwick. Rosalina. Rockruff. Reverse Hollow Finneon and Politoed. Lovely. Let's get into the Silver Tempest pack. QR code. 1, 2, 3, 4 in the front. Dark Energy. Sunflora. Promedical Altar. The Dene. Clink. Wailmer. Dratini. Feebas. Fampi. Reverse Hollow Drowsy and Gardevoir, lovely. Now we have our Scarlet and Violet packs. Base. Let's get into the one with the stars on it first. QR code. 1 in the front. Leaf Energy. Magikarp. Magnemite. Tarantula. Pokemon Catcher. Balloon. Kilowattle. Heracross. Reverse Hollow Wiglet. Reverse Hollow Shuppet and Hollow Chlorf. Lovely. Our final pack of today. QR code. 1 in the front. Fighting Energy. Varoon. Magikarp. Magnemite. Tarantula. Futsil. Team Star Grunt. Lucario. Versailles Medic Charm, Versailles Cretil, and Versailles Quackfadel. Are hits. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.